There, why did I get scared? All right, here a little bit. Ah, that was perfect. Don't go off track. That was close. All right, hear me out. All of you guys that gave me advice in the comments from that first video complaining about the physics and CPM, you got me. You were right to some extent. You got me. I admit it. You were correct. After doing some tweaks, like lowering the tire pressure for the tires to last longer, messing around the suspension, and all of that stuff, I realized it really can get better than we make it seem to be. Even with no assist, we still threading the track, and we're gonna show you guys exactly how the results of that look like. And I know the GTR RS that I have says U-Class, so that means it is not stock. Listen, professionals, I just love the sound of back shots and turbo sounds. Pause, but y'all get what I mean. I'm just doing it for the fun of it. But hey, it might work out better if your GTR RS is stock. Yes, you can rent it stock if you want. You're a professional, we know it. I really wish I could post the comments to all of the guys that gave me some tips on how to adjust the car and everything, but that original video, it got taken down. Sadly, it got taken down. I had to re-upload it, so those comments are lost. But I will still try to show some comments, so I'm gonna give a shout out to all of these awesome viewers and subscribers. I appreciate the support as always. Thank you a lot. And if you wanna appear in a future video, you just come and shout out down below. You drop a like, you subscribe if you're new, all of that good stuff, and I'll try to pick you out if you're early. Early comers, they get the advantage, so try to be early for the uploads. And yeah, with all of that said, let's get straight to it. Before I show you guys the setup, I gotta provide the proof, so I'm gonna do a no cut run, meaning that I'm not gonna cut the video at all, and I'm gonna show you guys right here that I don't have traction control, I don't have ESP turned on, only ABS. I only got ABS on, and the reason I'm using ABS because I'm scared that the brakes are gonna give out when I'm braking, so I'm only gonna use ABS, but no traction control, no ESP, and the car is still gonna handle great. So I gotta show the proof. I'm gonna keep this clip running, I'm not gonna cut it, and you guys are gonna get my live reaction. But don't worry, I'm gonna have the setup ready for you guys right after this, so you can try the settings if you like and tweak it to how you like it for the GT3 RS, and let me know which other car I should try to experiment with settings for. So I'm no professional, I just take advice from all of you guys who play the game more than I do, and I have fun doing it. I really enjoy seeing the improvements made from the advice you guys give. And yeah, let's see what we can do for this run. So I'm gonna start it. Let's go. No traction control, so I can't go too full on it, else it's gonna skid. Right down here is tricky, but I'm gonna full throttle it. Full throttle. I'm gonna brake here, ease up, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Brake, brake, brake. I probably could have taken there faster, but let's keep going. All right, so good. It's all right so far. I need to avoid those bumps. I hate them. I didn't need to ease up there. Why did I ease up? I'm scared, bro. All right, not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, down here, I don't need a brake. I just need to throttle it. Oops. Almost lost it. No, brake, 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 brake. No, don't go off track. Shit. All right, we're gonna ignore that. We're gonna ignore that penalty. We're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna keep pushing. Yeah, full throttle. Come on, full send. Yeah, baby. Brake, brake. How's that off track? They're robbing me. I could have went faster there, honestly. Come on, come on. I didn't need a brake there. Why did I get scared? All right, here a little bit. Ah, that was perfect. Right now, this section, don't touch the bump. Oh my God, I didn't want to touch it. Slowed me down there. Okay. Up here, I don't think I need to brake too much. Shit, I shouldn't have braked it. I braked too early. Yeah, I lost a lot of time there. Right here is fine though. Yeah. Okay, that's decent. I didn't need to brake there so much. There neither. I should have throttled. Oh my god, I'm not used to the track yet. Sorry guys, I'm such a noob. I'm such a noob, bro. Don't go off track. Understeer. That's such a skill issue. I'm so nervous. I can do way better, guys. I promise. I didn't have to brake that much there. Okay. That was my fault. I'm losing so much time, dude. But this is just a no-cut run, so I can't start over. I had no warm-up recording this run, so that is my bad. But you guys see the potential it has, so I'm gonna just full send it. I'm just nervous because I'm recording, that's all. That was a decent section. I braked up too much though. I could have went faster. Right there too, I had so much room to use the track. I need to use more of the track. Okay, here, should I go inside? Alright, I'm gonna take it inside. Shouldn't have touched it. Don't go off track. That was close. No, I want to brake every time. You see, when you make a mistake, now you want to be careful and not overdo it. You be braking and stuff. Hey, man. Bro. You see that? I didn't have to brake there, bro. Oh, that was smooth. That was smooth. I like that. Like that bit. No. We're so close to the finish line. Look at the penalty, dude. What the hell? I'm nervous. Don't spin. No. 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 No, that never happened to me before. Why did that happen? Bro, that was a nervous run. Look at the penalty, dude. What the hell? Oh, that is nothing close to my personal best. Oh my god, but y'all see the potential. That's my point. Y'all see the potential. Look at that. 34 seconds of that is a penalty. So if you remove that plus the time I spun out, it would have been a decent run. I just needed to lock in, but I didn't lock in. My god, bro. But yeah, you guys see the potential. It's just a skill issue on my side. The tuning and everything is decent enough. Maybe some tweaks can be made to it, but I'm gonna stop yapping and get ready to show you guys what I got. Man, my graphics look horrendous right now. Let me just Let me at least try to make it look good since I'm not doing the run anymore. My bad, guys. This is the low-end phone. I need a new phone for gaming purposes, but for right now, I'm gonna just use this one. But I'm gonna make it look a little better since I'm showing you guys the settings and I'm not racing. So yeah, here we go. The engine. My GT3 RS, it is upgraded. I already told you guys I love the power, but stock one would probably do way better for cornering. With your skill, and if you're locked in, you can do way better time. But the engine, basically I upgraded mine and added a turbo because I like that too, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so that's the upgrades. Gearbox, I'm using the KL ST. It has 9 gears. Even though I was using it in automatic, I should be using a manual next time. That would have probably pushed me a lot better and I would focus more. I'm using the Active M differential. I'm not sure how much of a difference this makes from the open or the electronic. I haven't tested that. I just went with it because, you know, it seemed like the best one. Clutch is upgraded, all of that good stuff. Now, should I show suspension first? Suspension first. A little bit of camber. I towed it. Was it inside or out? I towed it outside for better cornering. Casters there. Ackerman. It's up there for aggressiveness. That's why you saw it like it was a pretty stiff before it spun out there. I probably need to reduce a little bit of that. My spacers are just to fit the alignment. Anti-roll bars, I'm running it stiff at the back because, you know, I don't have any traction control, bro, so I need as much sturdiness as I can get. So it's a little softer in the front and stiffer at the back. My springs, it's pretty stiff. Yeah, I know it's probably a bad idea, but it just felt better that way to me on this phone. Maybe if I had a smoother device, I could handle a more, you know, a smoother suspension. You get what I mean? But this, it works out best for this device. This is what I can say for my tilt controls as well. You use different controls. Maybe something else works better for you. My shock absorber settings are pretty much the same stock. Didn't change much. Wait, is it stock or did it change? Wait, all right. So take a good look at this. I'm gonna reset it just to see if it's stock. Reset. Yeah, so it is stock. Yeah, so that is stock. And what else? What else am I missing? My tires. My tire size, I'm running it different at the front than the rear. So this is the front size and this is the rear size. Running a little fatter at the back like those GT3 cars. You know, I like seeing the big meaty tires. Let me go back there, then if y'all saw it. So this is the rear, this is the front, and I'm running slicks. And my slicks are lasting longer because tire pressure adjusted. Someone in the comments told me about dropping the tire pressure and it lasts longer. And I also checked on Google for this information, how GT3 cars run their tires. So the thing is, even though the pressure is so low, when the tires get hot, the pressure rises inside of them. So the pressure goes up when the tire gets hot. So you can run it lower and it lasts longer. Well, in CPM 2, I don't know about other games. And what else am I missing? Is that it? Fuel. I'm using E85 if that matters, just for performance with the upgrades. Am I missing something now? What else am I missing? I think that's it for the tune, isn't it? Dyno Run is pretty much stock. Yeah, that's the tune, isn't it? Yeah, that's it right there. And I use tilt controls. You guys already saw that. Let me show you guys the detail, the controls and analog. Tilt controls, turn down the sensitivity. And my car, you guys know I don't have any other traction control and stuff like that. We're running it raw. Full speed ahead. But yeah, let me know which other car you guys want me to experiment with just for the fun of it. You know, nothing too serious. We're just trying to make the cars drivable and have some fun. And hopefully have some track races as soon as the update is out. So let me know what you guys think. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Stay safe.